Hi, in this video, I'll explain the top 3 practices for manifesting by Neville Goddard. Those of you who don't know Neville, I'll explain more about him, his background, later part of the video. And the practices, meaning the previous video we talked about the principle, the theory behind it. In this video, I will discuss 3 of the common or methods you can practice these key principles as well. And watch till the end. I have a free ebook and a free masterclass you can join as well for this year. Let's jump on to the three practices of Neville for manifesting. The first practice is imagination. Visualization is the key. You imagine or visualize the wish fulfilled. So you can close your eyes and sit down and then have a deep breath back, a couple of deep breaths, and then visually imagine what is happening when you have that wish you achieved. How do you feel? The exhilaration, the happiness, the joy. It could be a good health, could be money you got, or it could be a job career you just landed, or a relationship you just engaged in, whatever that is. And so you can use imagination, same as visualization. Both of them needs to accompany, very importantly, need to accompany the feelings behind it, because feeling is the secret. One of the principles is the feeling is a secret. So imagining without that feeling is useless. Imagining and visualizing, almost like a daydreaming in some senses, and with the feeling in your heart, and raising that feeling will raise your frequency and vibration, because you converse, you talk to the universe with your feelings, with your frequency. Your vibration is how you communicate to the non-physical part of the universe. That's very important. So the first one is the imagination visualization tool. You can do as often as you can, but have the feeling associated with it. Okay, number 2 practice is, he calls it SATS. SATS stands for sleep akin to state akin to sleep. That is, just before you sleep, you enter into a drowsy state of half awake and half asleep, half conscious and half subconscious. That's when he says that in a day-to-day living, your conscious state controls, the mind controls everything else. Just before you sleep, the consciousness drops halfway or most of the way. Then your subconscious mind is more open to suggestions, commands, wishes there. So as you enter the state just before you sleep, you again visualize, you affirm a little bit about what you are. Not like in the future, like I am going to be. It's like almost like I am happy about it. You be in the state again of your wishes already there with you. That's very important in this state akin to sleep, SATS state, where you can influence the subconscious mind, according to Neville, which is basically influencing the non-physical part of the reality, the world as well. So that's number 2 practice. Number 3 practice is, there are many practices, I'll limit to 3 in this video. Number 3 practice is ignoring the current reality outside, which pulls you down, and move into the desired state. So ignoring, because you just don't you don't look at the current state and get pulled down. Let's say you're looking for money, your bills are coming in. It's going to make you a little sad and depressed. You don't have the money, but you got to enter the state immediately as though, hey, it's going to happen. I am going to have the money to pay the bills, or I'm going to be healthy, whatever that is. Ignoring the current state as is, or at least not paying attention to that too much, because it's going to pull you down and put you in a state of lack. That means that if you're more in the problem state, you will never be able to move on to the desired wish state. So it's very important that we don't lower our frequency, our vibration down by looking at what is. The only way is that you move away from it. You believe. You need to have the belief now to say, I'm going to be all right. I will be fine. my desires are coming true, my wishes are coming true, it is happening, has already happened. That's what you need to believe in a way to ignore the current as is and move on to now go back to the same visualizing, imagining, and all these stuff is going to help us. There are a lot more practices as well, and I'll cover in a separate longer video of the top 5-10 Neville's practices. I do have a free manifesting masterclass and a course on this, and also a little bit specifically on Neville Goddard's. I'm promised about Neville's background. Neville Goddard is a pioneer giant in the manifesting space in the 19th century, or the latest part of the 20th century, I should say. Then he was mostly in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, and he has written 10 books and very popular. And in this particular bunch of videos, I'm covering more about Neville. I'm 𝐉𝐨𝐢𝐧. I'm part of Manifesting the Best channel, my channel, and I cover all kinds of topics related to manifesting. And I have read dozens and dozens of books, practiced for 5-6 years. I got my own book, ebook. I can give you my free ebook and a free class as well. If you're willing to sign up on spiritualuniversity.org, I will send you the link for a free ebook and a class as well. I'm doing it for this year. Join me for more on manifesting in the follow-up video. And if you want further information, you can sign up in the description on the link below. See you there. Thanks. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.